Pleasant good day, everyone. Welcome to my virtual class. My name is Mom J, and I'll be teaching a new topic for today. So let's get ready, and we will start now.
Dividing rational algebraic expressions. So, bago ko to ituro sa inyo, balikan muna natin yung fractions. Kung paano mag-divide ng fractions. So, divide the following fractions. So, reduce to lowest term. So, let's have number 1. 1/5 divided by 2/3. So, may papakita ko sa inyong dalawang solutions kung paano mag-divide ng fractions. So, solution number 1, get the reciprocal of the divisor and proceed to multiplications. So, dito sa dalawang fraction natin, ang ating divisor ay 2/3. So, magiging ganito na siya. So, 1/5 divided by 2/3. So, from 2/3, magiging 3/2 na siya. So, pag na-reciprocal na natin siya, pwede na tayong mag-multiply. So, kung paano tayo mag-multiply ng fraction, syempre, ganun din ang gagawin natin dyan. So, multiply the numerator, then after nun, multiply the denominator. So, multiply na natin. So, 1 times 3 is equals to 3, and 5 times 2 is equals to 10. Since si 3/10 ay naka-lowest term na, so yan na yung ating sagot. Okay, solution number 2. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng cross multiplication. So, dito, hindi na natin kailangan mag-reciprocal, kundi mag-multiply na tayo kaagad. So, 1/5 divided by 2/3. So, si 2/3 di na natin siya gagalawin. I-multiply na lang natin sila using cross multiplication. So, equals, so 1 times 3 is equals to 3, and 2 times 5 is equals to 10. So, same lang yung ating sagot. So, pwede kayong mamili kung saan kayo mas madadalian. Ayan. Number 2, 4/9 divided by 8/3. So, ang ginamit ko dito, solution number 1, kung saan nire-reciprocal ko yung divisor. So, 4/9 divided by 8/3. So, from 8/3, it will become 3/8, and then multiply. So, dito, kung magaling ka na, pwede kang mag-cancel na agad. Kasi, meron naman tayong mga numbers na divisible sila parehas. So, si 4 tsaka si 8, kinancel ko. Dahil divisible sila para sa 4, so meron tayong 1 na lang doon kay 4, at sa 8 na yung magiging 2 na lang. And then si 3 tsaka si 9, kinancel ko rin dahil divisible sila by 3, so si 9 magiging 3 na lang, at si 3 ay magiging 1. And then tsaka tayo magmumultiply ng mga remaining answer or remaining numbers. So, 1 times 1 equals 1, and 3 times 2 equals 6. Pero kung isa ka sa mga nahihirapan at kailangan mong gamitan ng step by step, so ipapakita ko rin siya dito. So, 4/9 divided by 8/3. So, nag-reciprocal ako. So, magiging 3/8, and then nag-multiply ako. So, di ba pag nag-multiply tayo ng fraction, pwede tayong mag-factoring. So, ganun ang ginawa ko. Pinactor ko si 4/9 tsaka si 3/8. So, ang factor ni 4 ay 2 times 2, at si 9 naman ay 3 times 3. Then, si 3, hindi ko na siya finactor since prime number naman siya. Kaya si 8 na lang. So, si 8 ay may factor na 2 times 2 times 2. And then, after natin mag-factor, cancel natin lahat ng common factors. So, yan. 2, 2, then 3. Ayan. So, ang ating numerator, wala namang natira. So, meron na tayong 1 dyan. And then, ang ating denominator, may natirang 3 times 2. So, pag sinimplify natin siya, so 1 over, so 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So, sagot natin ay 1/6. Okay, number 3. 12/7 divided by 10/3. So, reciprocal lang tayo. So, from 10/3, magiging 3/10, and then times. So, kung magaling ka na, shortcut ka, pero kung hindi, step by step tayo. So, ang factor ng 12 ay 2 times 2 times 3. Si 7 naman, hindi ko na siya finactor kasi nga, prime number naman siya. Same with number 3. Same with 3. So, si 10 na lang. So, ang factor ni 10 ay 5 times 2. And then, after ko mag-factor, nag-cancel ako ng mga common factors nila. So, isa lang ang common factor nila, which is 2. So, ang ating numerator may natirang 2 times 3 times 3. At ang ating denominator ay may natirang 7 times 5. So, 2 times 3 times 3 is equals to 18, and 7 times 5 is equals to 35. So, ang ating final answer ay 18 over 35. Bakit nga ba ako gumagamit ng factoring? Kasi nga, mas mas madali siyang gamitin pag nag-divide na rin tayo ng RAE. So, steps in dividing rational algebraic expressions. So, pag nag-divide tayo ng rational algebraic expressions, so parehas lang din yan nung pag-multiply ng rational. Yun nga lang, may pagdadaanan lang tayo ng konti. So, alamin natin kung ano yung mga steps. So, step 1, so get the reciprocal of the divisor and proceed to multiplication. So, kagaya nung ginawa natin kanina sa fractions. So, step 2, factor the numerator and the denominator of the given expressions. So, pag na-reciprocal na natin si divisor at nakapag-proceed na tayo sa multiplication, so, kailangan nating i-factor lahat ng nasa numerator at nasa denominator. So, sa step 3, kakancel na natin lahat ng common factors. As a step 4, write any remaining expressions in the numerator and denominator and multiply if needed. So, kung ano yung mga natira, isusulat na lang natin sa numerator and denominator at kung kailangang i-multiply, i-multiply. Let's solve number 1, 4b squared over 10b cubed divided by 6b cubed over 8b. So, ang given natin sa number 1 ay puro monomial lang. So, pwede kayong mag-shortcut dyan, pwede rin kayong mag-cross multiply, o kaya naman, kung nahihirapan talaga kayo, mag-step by step na lang tayo. So, let's have the solution. So, step 1, get the reciprocal of the divisor and proceed to multiplication. So, from 6b cubed over 8b, magiging 8b over 6b cubed. Then, multiply. So, step 2, factor the numerator and the denominator of the given expressions. So, ang factor ni 4b squared ay 2 times 2 times b times b. Si 10b cubed naman, may factor na 5 times 2 times b times b times b. Si 8b naman, may factor na 2 times 2 times 2 times b. At si 6b cubed, may factor na 3 times 2 times b times b times b. Next. So, step 3, cancel the common factors. So, cancel natin lahat na magkakapares sila. So, wala na ba? Okay, next step 4, write any remaining expressions in the numerator and denominator and multiply if needed. So, ang ating numerator may natirang 2 times 2 times 2 at ang ating denominator may natirang 5 times 3 times b times b times b. So, kailangan natin mag-multiply. So, 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 8 and 5 times 3 times b times b times b is equals to 15b cubed. So, ang sagot natin ay 8 over 15b cubed. Number 2, 5n plus 20 over 6n squared minus 36n divided by 5 over 6n. So, sa number 2, meron na tayong binomial. So, dapat alam nyo na kaagad kung anong factoring method ang gagamitin kapag binomial ang involved. So, let's have the solution. So, step 1, get the reciprocal of the divisor and proceed to multiplication. So, from 5 over 6n, magiging 6n over 5, then multiply. So, step 2, factor the numerator and the denominator of the given expressions. So, ang factor ni 5n plus 20 ay 5 times quantity n plus 4. So, PCMF ang aking ginamit dyan. Si 6n squared minus 36n naman, may factor na 6n times quantity n minus 6. So, PCMF pa rin. So, times, si 6n, hindi ko na finactor. So, 6n over, so si 5, ganun din. Ayan. So, step 3, cancel the common factors. So, 5 ang common nila, tsaka 6n. Next, step 4, write any remaining expression in the numerator and denominator and multiply if needed. So, ang ating numerator, may natirang n plus 4. So, wala naman tayong i-multiply. So, isulat na lang natin siya. Si n minus 6, ganun din. Kaya, isulat natin. So, ang ating final answer ay n plus 4 over n minus 6. Number 3. So, b squared minus 100 over b cubed plus 27 divided by b minus 10 over b plus 3. So, puro binomials na yung given natin sa number 3. At yung numerator natin sa unang fractions, naka-squared siya, at ang denominator natin naka-cube. So, dapat alam nyo na kung anong factoring methods ang gagamitin nyo dyan. So, let's have the solution. So, step 1, get the reciprocal of the divisor and proceed to multiplication. So, from b minus 10 over b plus 3, magiging b plus 3 over b minus 10. Then, multiply. Step 2, factor the numerator and the denominator of the given expressions. So, ang factor ni b squared minus 100 ay quantity b minus 10 times quantity b plus 10. So, ang ginamit natin dyan ay dots. Si b cubed plus 27 naman, may factor siyang quantity b plus 3 times quantity b squared minus 3b plus 9. So, ang ginamit natin dyan ay SOTC. So, times. So, si b plus 3, wala naman yung factor. At si b minus 10, wala din. So, okay lang natin siya. Next, step 3, cancel the common factors. So, ang common factors nila ay b minus 10, b plus 3. So, meron pa ba? So, wala na. Then, step 4, write any remaining expressions in the numerator and denominator and multiply if needed. So, ang ating numerator, may natira lang na b plus 10. So, wala naman tayong i-multiply. Kaya, yun yung sagot natin. Then, si b squared minus 3b plus 9, wala rin tayong i-multiply. So, yun na yung sagot natin. So, our answer is b plus 10 over b squared minus 3b plus 9. That's it. Number 4, r squared plus 2r minus 3 over r squared plus 4r minus 5 divided by r squared plus 9r plus 18 over r squared plus r minus 20. So, yung number 4 natin, puro trinomial ang ating given. So, dapat pagka trinomial ang involved, dapat alam nyo na kung anong factoring method ang i-apply dyan. So, let's have the solution. So, step 1, get the reciprocal of the divisor and proceed to multiplication. So, from r squared plus 9r plus 18 over r squared plus r minus 20, magiging ganito na siya. So, we have r squared plus r minus 20 over r squared plus 9r plus 18. And then, multiply. Step 2, factor the numerator and the denominator of the given expressions. So, r squared plus 2r minus 3 have a factor of quantity r minus 1 times quantity r plus 3. Then, r squared plus 4r minus 5, may factor siya na quantity r plus 5 times quantity r minus 1. So, si r squared plus r minus 20 naman, may factor siya na quantity r plus 5 times quantity r minus 4. At si r squared plus 9r plus 18, may factor siya na quantity r plus 6 times quantity r plus 3. Then, cancel the common factors. So, r minus 1, r plus 3, r plus 5. And step 4, write any remaining expression in the numerator and denominator and multiply if needed. So, ang natira natin sa numerator ay r minus 4 at wala naman tayong i-multiply. So, yun ay ating sagot. At ang ating denominator ay ang natira ay r plus 6 at wala rin tayong i-multiply. So, yan ay yung sagot. So, ang ating final answer ay r minus 4 over r plus 6. Number 5, we have 2p squared plus 7p plus 6 over p squared minus 4 divided by 2p squared plus 9p plus 9 over p cubed minus 8. So, medyo mahirap-hirap na to. Pero, kaya natin yan. So, solution, So get the reciprocal of the divisor and proceed to multiplication. So from p cubed from 2p squared plus 9p plus 9 over p cubed minus 8, magiging ganito na siya. So p cubed minus 8 over 2p squared plus 9p plus 9. Then, multiply. So step 2, factor the numerator and the denominator of the given expressions. So ang factor ng 2p squared plus 7p plus 6 ay ito. So, quantity 2p plus 3 times quantity p plus 2. So, quadratic trinomial yan, yung factor na gagamitin dyan. And then, ang denominator naman natin na p squared minus 4, ang factor naman niya ay quantity p plus 2 times quantity p minus 2. So, yan naman ay that's. Si p cubed minus 8 naman, may factor siya na quantity p minus 2 times quantity p squared plus 2p plus 4. So, DOTC naman yan. At si 2p squared plus 9p plus 9 may factor na quantity 2p plus 3 times quantity p plus 3. So, step 3, cancel the common factors. Ayan. So, wala nang natira. So, step 4, write any remaining expression in the numerator and denominator and multiply if needed. So, sa ating numerator, may natirang p squared plus 2p plus 4 at ang ating denominator, may natirang p plus 3. So, dahil wala naman tayong kailangang i-multiply, ito na yung sagot natin. So, p squared plus 2p plus 4 over p plus 3. Yan. So, sana naintindihan nyo siya. So, mag-activity tayo. So, try nyo tong sagutan. So, find the quotient of the given rational algebraic expression. So, check ko kung talagang naintindihan nyo yung aking itinuro.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time!